Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Thetford toilet valve is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in your RV's plumbing system, ensuring a leak-free and functional experience for all your travels, and today we're diving deep into what makes this particular valve a standout choice for discerning RV owners seeking reliability and performance. Number 5. Thetford Aqua-Magic V RV Toilet Water Valve Kit 31705. This kit is designed to precisely control water flow for your RV toilet's flushing mechanism. Simply operate the lever, and it opens to let water in, then automatically closes when you release it. It's specifically compatible with Thetford Aqua-Magic V Series high and low RV toilets. This ensures a seamless replacement for many older valve part numbers. Crafted from robust ABS material with a reinforced structure, this valve is built to last. The included closet flange made of rubber ensures a tight seal, preventing any sewage leaks. Replacing your old valve is straightforward. Just disconnect the water pipe, remove the old valve, and install this new one in its place. We recommend checking for leaks after installation. Please note that this part is not compatible with the Aqua-Magic Bravura or other series. It's always best to confirm your specific RV toilet model before making a purchase. What we like. This valve kit is designed for straightforward water flow control. If you are looking for a reliable replacement that automatically closes after flushing, this is a solid choice. Its robust ABS material construction ensures durability for your Thetford Aqua-Magic V toilet. What people say. Thetford Toilet Valve is a direct replacement for the original. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The valve operates smoothly and seals well, preventing leaks. Number 4. Beech Lane 31705 Toilet Water Module Assembly. This replacement valve has been re-engineered with upgraded materials for improved function and lifespan. It's designed to last multiple seasons, saving you the hassle of frequent replacements. Designed in the USA to ensure proper specifications and performance, this valve is built to last. You can rely on its quality, unlike other valves that tend to fail early. It features a unique, robust valve cap with thicker walls and a tighter connection. This design helps to avoid the common problem of valve cap leaks. Ultrasonic welding safeguards vulnerable valve seams, preventing dreaded leaks that could flood your camper. It ensures a secure seal where it's needed most. We stand by our product with a lifetime manufacturer warranty. If it ever fails, cracks, or leaks, you'll be covered for a replacement or refund. This assembly includes all the necessary hardware and instructions for a straightforward replacement valve installation. It's also compatible with the hand sprayer accessory. What we like. Engineered in the USA, this assembly boasts a patented leak-resistant design and an improved valve lifespan. If you're tired of frequent replacements and want a product backed by a lifetime manufacturer warranty, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those seeking long-term performance and peace of mind. What people say. Was a very easy installation sheet and instructions were very clear. Perfect fit and the quality appears to be same as the original. The part seems to be of good quality and installation was super easy. I appreciate the new gasket too. Item came quickly and installed easily. I replaced the flapper valve, a new experience for me and the directions helped a lot. I think the design is better than the water module I replaced and I'm hopeful it be more durable. Number 3. Vypart RV Toilet Water Valve Kit for Thetford Aqua-Magic V. This water valve kit is specifically designed for Thetford Aqua-Magic V RV toilets, including both hand and foot pedal flush models. Please check compatibility with your specific toilet model before purchasing. This kit is a must-have for your RV toilet. It includes the water valve, a rubber flange seal, and screws, providing everything you need to replace your old valve and eliminate leaks and odors. Built with robust materials, this valve features a thicker body and tighter threads to prevent leaks and cracks. Its elastic fiber lining ensures high performance and flexibility, even in cold weather, offering hydrolysis, chemical, and frost resistance. Enjoy a hassle-free camping experience with our easy-to-install valve kit. Installation requires only a Phillips screwdriver. You can find installation videos and detailed pictures online for guidance. With over a decade of expertise and over 400,000 units sold, we guarantee the highest quality. This water valve assembly is a customer favorite, offering you peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This kit offers excellent freeze crack resistance and comes with everything you need for installation, including a rubber flange seal and screws. If you frequently camp in colder climates or want a complete solution to leaks and odors, this is a great option. Its high elasticity material ensures it maintains performance even under pressure. What people say. Easy to install, no more leaks, and it's not some cheap plastic. Definitely durable, easy fix and no need to replace toilet, highly recommended. Shipped fast. Easy to install. I did it myself, 58F. Works perfectly. No cons on this item. It has held up to time and trials. The part was very easy to replace old valve with new one. The flow valve looks exactly like original. Number 2. Thetford RV Toilet Water Valve. This RV toilet water valve is built to last, made from high-impact resistant pages. It's designed to withstand freezing temperatures, ensuring reliable performance even in cold conditions. Specifically designed to fit Thetford Aqua-Magic RV toilets. This ensures a seamless replacement for your existing valve, restoring full functionality. Say goodbye to leaks with this upgraded flush valve. Its tight sealing, leak-free thread design will have your RV toilet flushing perfectly again in no time. Replacing your RV toilet valve is straightforward. Simply turn off the water, disconnect the old valve, and install the new one following the included instructions. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a successful repair. You'll find the toilet valve, a replacement flange gasket, and fastening screws. What we like. Featuring a high-impact PP material, this valve is built to be both freeze-resistant and leak-resistant. If you prioritize a tight sealing, leak-free thread and need a valve that can withstand cold temperatures without cracking, this product is an excellent fit. It ensures your RV toilet is back to flushing reliably. What people say. Looks, works, and fit like original part. Good quality components. Instructions were quite adequate with pictures of the parts. It worked for what we needed. It's still working. I can't appraise it enough. Thank you. Number 1. Dometic RV Toilet Valve Replacement Kit. Introducing a 2-set replacement kit for your RV toilet. This kit provides all the necessary parts for a complete replacement, so you won't need to make extra trips to the store. These parts are designed as direct OEM replacements and are fully compatible with many popular Dometic pedal flush toilet models. Please confirm your specific model before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. Experience a reliable, leak-proof seal with our premium flush ball seal. Its precision-threaded connections and ultrasonic welding ensure a watertight fit, effectively solving common RV toilet leaks. Built to last, the valve body is constructed from reinforced thermoplastic for superior freeze crack resistance. Upgraded welding strengthens critical seams, extending its service life for dependable performance. You can easily install this kit in just 10 to 15 minutes with a simple Phillips screwdriver. Step-by-step video tutorials and visual instructions are available to guide you through the process. Effectively fix common issues like constant running water, leaks, clogs, and unpleasant odors. Restore your RV toilet to reliable, like new performance with this comprehensive kit. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for Dometic 300, 301, 310, 311, 320, and 321 pedal flush toilets. If you own one of these Dometic models and are experiencing leaks, running water, or unpleasant odors, this is the solution. Its leak-proof seal and freeze-resistant build ensure reliable performance for your Dometic RV toilet. What people say. Worked first time without a leak. Easy to install. Good quality instructions were simple and easy to follow. Fit perfect in my keystone and was really easy to install. Works well, but make sure to push the nose a few times before installing. When brand new it is hard to move, and if you install that way it will not work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.